Well, I have the little monitor that I got in the yard sale here, and I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. It's kind of filthy and I haven't really done anything to it. But one thing I'm having a little trouble with is this. The thing apparently belonged to a school, and they painted their logo, whatever you want to call it, on there. So I'm having a little trouble trying to remove that. And what I'm thinking is I might just paint over it, or leave it there, I don't care really. But I just wanted to get her cleaned up a little bit. And as you can probably tell, I have some tools. And I'm going to start taking it apart because I want to make sure that the inside isn't too dusty and all that kind of thing. So, whoa, yeah, I don't want to lose anything. There we go. Piece of plywood. Oh, yeah, I don't really want to. Oh, it's, yeah, that's going to be a pain in the butt. I'm not going to bother taking that mesh off. I plan to, but not really a good idea, I don't think. There we go. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Yeah, see, I already started twisting those things around by trying to undo them like that. So, I'm gonna go get a wrench or a socket or something, and I'll be back. And that's a heck of a lot easier. Should have did that in the first place. And make sure I don't mix these stupid things up. Oh, what's going on there? That one's only got one wire attached to it. I'll have to check and see if that's a problem. See if there's something disconnected. They all seem to work, so I'm thinking that's probably the way it's supposed to be, but just to make sure. So if anything needs to be resoldered, not a big deal. I have a soldering iron and some solder, so for right now I'm just checking to see if it needs to be cleaned. And the red one, I don't know if you can really see that if I move my tripod. This red one only has one wire, and let's see, this yellow one is the only wire on that one. I have my big fat hand in the way. So I guess that's the way it's supposed to be, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just clean it up. And all the electronics look perfect. There's no dust or anything inside the thing. And, you know, it's enclosed, so it's not surprising, but anyway. Alright, so I'm not going to bother taking the circuit board out. I'm just going to try to clean around it. Hopefully it'll work. Taking it apart would be much better, but I just took the nuts off and the washers because I want to get as close as possible. Clean it up as much as I can, but it's an old thing, $2 machine, so I'm not going to be too fussy, but alrighty, so let that dry. Put that back together. That looks 20 times better already. Now, that speaker grill, I'd like to take that off, but it's stapled. I don't have a stapler to redo it, so I'm pretty much stuck with just wiping it down, I guess. Alrighty, so it's all done, and it looks a heck of a lot better, I think. Still has the paint on the bottom, but there's not a whole lot I can do about that right now. I'll have to research how to get that off. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. Oh, like I said though, I want to take that grill out of there later on and get it cleaned underneath. And if you notice, those chips are covered up. I just used a Sharpie. Makes it look a lot better, I think.